Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to hide or show lock screen notifications on any Vivo phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now just scroll down and tap on notifications and status bar. From here, just tap on lock screen. Now if you want to hide notifications on your lock screen, just disable this toggle. And once you disable this toggle, it will not show any notifications on your lock screen. Now, if you want to show notifications on your lock screen, just enable this option. And once you enable this toggle, it will show your notifications on the lock screen. And this is how you can hide or show lock screen notifications on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.